How you guys doing? So today I want to talk to you about my brand new caulk gun. I know the height of excitement is keeping you in your seats. So I bought this because I've got to fix the kids' room. After putting blinds up and drilling holes and bits and pieces, I've got to repair the work that I've done, and I thought I'll buy one of these. And the reason why I bought this one is because, number one, it's sturdy. Yes, it's made of plastic, but easy and simple to use. So first off, you have your springy, bitty metal slidey thing, right? And what you do is you put your, for demonstration purposes, you put your caulk in and you keep pumping the lever, right? That was close. And then this tightens up into the back of the actual caulk here, and it locks into here, as you can see. Now, the best part about this is I've used caulk guns in the past that never had anything to secure it really in with, which was a pain in the arse at certain points in my life. But with this one, you've got this extra little plasticky sheath on the front. If you turn it a couple, you've now locked your caulk into the actual gun. I tell you what, that really helps when it comes to like lining things up as well. Really, really good. Now, yes, this is lightweight. Yes, it's made of plastic, but you're only going to be using it for filling holes, aren't you? Really? Or doing like bits, or you're probably going to be sealing your bathroom or sealing around. You want something a little bit lighter. The reason why is because obviously you don't want to kill your hands doing stuff. So in order for you to release it, all you've got to do is pull back on it and then pop. Hold on. You're not supposed to be going backwards. Forwards. Thank you. Now I can't pop it out. There we go. It pops out really easy as long as you line up the hole with the actual thing. Like I said, with this, it's a sheath. It goes around here, locks everything into place. All good. There's no lever to pull this back and forth. So over time, this is going to draw. It's going to drag. It will break. That's just unfortunately how plastic is. Cheap and easy to use, cheap and easy to get. Very light in the hands as well, depending on the caulk and stuff you're using to do bits and pieces on the edges. So, me personally, I like this. I've already used it a couple of times around the house doing bits and pieces in the bathroom and the windowsill. Now I've got the walls to do, and that's all good. But yeah, I highly, highly recommend this because just of how ease of use it is.